How are you? So, we are going live today with Dr. Preeti. Yeah, we are having a continuation of part 1 today. Hi, Deepa. Hi, Miss Glory. How are you all doing? Hi, Ria. Hi, actually. Preeti, I've sent you a request. Hello, Deepa. Hello, Autoholic. Hi, guys. Hi, Vriti. Preeti. Yeah, good. I'm good. Volume is not able to join. Preeti, let me know if you're having any problem in joining. Okay, so it looks like it will take 2 minutes for Preeti to join in. So you guys tell me, how is it going on? So okay guys, I had posted last night about what molds would you guys like me to bring in. Oh, she's joining. Hey, Vanditya.
It. I had to go, guys. Sorry.
Is Rana fine?
Yeah, my husband has taken over. He just chose this time to wake up for a feed.
Okay. So guys, so today we are having a continuation of our part 1, ocean theme coasters. You would have seen, I have posted what she's going to do today. So Preeti, take over.
Waiting for the update for our orders. Manisha, what is this?
Miss Claudia, I'll start shipping out and actually I'm working on the invoices. Yeah, there is like 300 invoices. So I have to club all the invoices.
Manisha is a very busy person.
I have one suggestion, have enough quantity. All actually, who was that?
Grishma.
Grishma, see, there are, I can't see if there are 3,000 people following me, I can't bring 3,000 pieces, right? So even if I get 50 pieces of any mold, it goes out of stock. So how much ever I get, it's going to be less anyways. So Preeti, you want to wait or you want to start?
What do we do? Probably another 2 minutes, or we can start right away. I
Okay,
don't
yeah,
see any.
we'll wait for 2 minutes. So today, tell what are you going to use? You're using
Okay.
same resin or you are going to try our different resin?
Okay, so guys, you guys would have seen my last live where I did these posters. Okay, can you guys see this? Yeah, so I did these coasters last live. It looks a little opaque, I'll tell you why. So I made these coasters last live. I showed you how to mix the, I'm sorry, the pigments. I mean, you have to incorporate the starfish, the shells, um, and the other items. Oh, by the way, before I start, those of you who don't know, I am Preeti. Okay, I am the face behind Varnam, and I started this 7 years back. I didn't start with resin. I started with quilling, and then now I'm with resin. And I'm a doctor by profession. I'm a dentist, an MDS doctor, an oral pathologist. I was working in the college as an assistant professor. I quit my job last year, and I had other plans about opening a clinic this year. But then Corona gave me a nice alva, so everything is a little yeah, everything is in on hold. So for now,
Everything
I'm just
happens for good, Preeti. Maybe there is something better written.
see as far as it gives me happiness and money, I'm okay.
Obviously, yes.
Yes. So moving on to that, yeah, I have 2 kids. So the second one is sleeping. He's just 8 months old. So that's the reason now my husband's taken over. So that's about me. So going on to the last, what we did. So we did these coasters, these translucent coasters where I had incorporated the starfish and the shells and the other elements. So today I'm going to show you how to apply latex. Okay, before you start doming. See, I'll tell you what doming is exactly. You have, just a moment. Sorry. So you have coasters, isn't it? The top surface, when you take it out of the mold, sometimes it's not very smooth, or you have little indentations where you have to make it a little glossy and shiny. So can you see this shine here? Can you see this? This is not the actual shine which you get it if you take it out of the mold. Obviously, when you're using silicone mold, after a few uses or many uses, what happens is it loses the shine. So you will have to give a coat of resin that's called as doming. So if you go see these coasters, I'm not able to. Can you see the glass? Yeah. So this is called. Yeah, this is called as doming. So that's what I'm going to do a demo for in this section. So before, what we used to do, we used to apply sellotape or these masking tape before you start doming any coasters or any kind of work. Okay, but what happens is sometimes you are not able to mask it correctly, so the resin leaks and the entire MDF for the entire resin product becomes so bad. Like, in the sense, you spend more time trying to remove all the debris and the dirt and so much of the resin overhangings. So for this, there is something called as liquid latex, which is so it's called as liquid latex.
Yeah.
Okay. So this liquid latex is nothing but it's like a rubber-like material, so which you apply on your coasters on the back side of wherever you're going to do. Leave it for an hour or two. It will dry, and then you go ahead about doming it. Okay, so shall we go ahead and before we go, Manisha, can we just see if anybody has any doubts, so that
wait, I'll turn on the comment. Yeah.
Any doubts? Because I'm going to tilt the camera to the project here, so I won't be able to see the comments.
Yeah, guys, if you have any doubts, let us know. So, or else we'll start with the project. Because this is going to take, I think, around 20-30 minutes, I guess. Yeah, Preeti?
Yep.
Yeah. Hi, Dani.
Hi, Dani.
Hi, Priya.
Hi, Priya.
So, looks like you were very clear, so they don't have any doubts.
Okay. So, gearing up before we start working, because the latex also smells. Okay, because see, it's like rubber, no? So it smells. Okay, so I'm just going to tilt the camera. Just let me know if you can see. Hi, Priya. Thank you so much. Can you see?
Yeah. Perfect.
So this is where we're going to dome. Yeah. So this is where you want to dome. And this is the... One second. So this is the piece which I have already put latex. I'm going to show you how it peels. So this is the one where I'm going to show you how to apply the latex. Okay. So this is the part where I want to dome. So what I'm going to do is take the back side. Okay. Apply latex generously. So what I'm going to do is just going to pour a little. Yeah. See, it's white in color. And then just spread it around so that it covers the corners mainly.
Only on the edges, right? Backside edges.
It depends. Okay, it depends. I'll tell you why. See, if you want the resin to spill over these sides, you can just leave this side without applying any latex and just apply latex over here. Suppose you don't want resin to fall on the side. For this, I don't want to fall over here, these two coasters. So I have applied here also. Okay,
on
so what you do? Yes. So once this dries, You can apply it on the sides also.
So the application is easy, right?
The application is easy, but the smell is any latex for that matter. Not just any latex you buy will definitely smell.
Yeah, it's actually a liquid rubber, so it will smell.
So apply it generously, at least almost in the center. This is not my piece that I'm going to work on. That's the reason I'm just applying this much. So then what you do is you can hold it here and apply it on these sides. Okay, and leave it here. It will dry. So once it dries, this is how it is. Can you see? You can't see where the latex is. Over here, if you can see, at the back side is where the latex is. That's
Okay, you
why
have
it looks
already
big.
applied it, yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
reason it's big. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So before I start pouring a doming thing, I'm going to show you how to peel off the latex, because after that, you know, once I close this area, I won't be able to show you guys. That's why. Okay. So sorry.
And guys, one more thing, never leave the latex bottle open. It will
Yeah, I
start
will not.
drying up.
Yes. So here, if you see, can you see this portion? This is where I've applied the latex. See?
So this
This is
piece
how
is the
it,
finished doming piece, right?
no, yeah, I just showed how to apply the latex. This is how
Yeah.
it peels off. It peels off as
Yeah.
one single stroke. Okay. So now, so far is okay. Then I'm going to go ahead with doming. Okay. Yeah. Clear? Can I go ahead with doming?
Yeah, yeah. Start.
Okay.
So tell about the
So,
resin and how long
yes,
it was
yes.
kept.
So this is what I'm using is a 2:1 resin. Okay, this is 2 portions of resin and 1 portion of hardener. This is last time what I used was 10:4 resin. This is a 2:1 resin. That is, for example, if you take 5 ml of hardener, you have to take 10 ml of resin. Okay, so that's the calculation that you will be using. So this cures a little faster, thickens a little faster. Okay, so there is something called as doming consistency. You have to wait for the resin to become a little thick. So I mixed this probably only sometime back, so it's not as thick, but I can still dome with this. Okay. So when you're doming any item or you're working on any item, make sure there is some kind of you know, placing something over the, you just keep something so that you place the coasters on top, because when the resin drips, it drips down through the sides.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will stick to the surface which is there. Okay. Okay. So slowly I'm going to put, not so much. When you dome, you can see the underlying resin part just coming out nicely. So can you see it's a little thick, okay? It's not that thin. It's not watery.
Yeah.
Even for me, even if the coaster drips on either sides, it doesn't matter, because I have applied latex inside, sides, and at the back side.
Oh, okay.
You
So all
can
the three sides.
yes, even if it falls, nothing will happen.
Got it.
Guys, when
It
you're
was how
working
long
with,
before you mixed?
yeah, sorry.
It was how long before you mixed this?
I just mixed it at 9:45, yeah. Very
Oh,
just
okay.
now.
Now only.
It
Okay.
was.
So guys, for 2:1, working time is 20 minutes. After that, it starts getting little thicker.
Yeah. See, it's a little thick, okay?
Yeah. So comparing to 10:4, this starts curing faster.
See, here you can apply any glitters, or any stars or anything of your choice. I prefer to use this as plain, but you guys can use anything you want.
So you had taken how much of resin now just to dome this
So
to one?
actually, theoretically, calculatively, according to the measurement you need, you probably just need, say, for each coaster is about 3 ml of hardener and 6 ml of resin. But I just took a little bit more. Suppose if I'm running short, I don't want to go and mix again. So I
So
took,
somewhere around, yeah.
yeah. So I just took about, say, how much did I took about 8 ml of hardener and 16 ml of resin.
Yeah. Somewhere 25, right?
Yeah, 24, yes. So then once you have applied, just make sure all the sides are covered, okay? And look through all angles, make sure there is no air bubble so far. Make sure everything is covered. I have this torch with me. Don't show too much because what will happen is you will scorch the resin very badly, which you don't want to happen. So once you are sure this is clear, take a plastic lid or anything which you can use for covering and cover your project.
Yeah. Very important.
Yes. So that's about it. I'll keep checking for the next 5-10 minutes. Otherwise, it's good to go. It's cool. Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to turn on the comments.
Sure. Anybody has any doubts?
I don't see anyone.
Yeah, it's actually a very simple process, but it's actually a very important process because the top coat brings out the sheen and what do you say? It brings out the beauty of what is lying underneath. If you don't do the
Yeah.
top coat, if it's a little matte finish, then it'll not look that good. Like I don't prefer it. So maybe other people will prefer that.
How
So how
long it
long?
takes to dry?
See, it depends. Yeah, latex in summer usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour. But now I think it probably take more than that. And how long
Awesome
did I
work.
mix? How long did I mix the resin for? See, you have to mix the resin in such a way you are mixing it slowly, but make sure you keep scraping the sides, incorporating all the resin and the hardener together. Okay? Yeah. So and
Yes,
then keep
Ragini,
for 2-3
video will be
minutes.
safe.
You're done. What was this question? Sorry. Sometimes, yes, this video will be saved. Yes. Sometimes when I dome, the resin pulls back from the edges. Yes. See, resin will pull back from the edges, especially in an MDA for an acrylic based work. If you have used water for that. So if you use a water based acrylic work or anything like that, resin it repels the water. So in those areas, when you try to put resin, what happens is it pulls back. So in that area, don't worry, just come back and make sure you know the working time of your resin. Just come back and just do a touch up till you keep working.
Do you dome every time?
Yes, I don't. Almost. I don't think so where now. Yeah, I don't almost every time. Yes.
I made something in 2:1 ratio. Okay, Divya.
Thank you, Priya. Sometimes when the resin is not enough and makes the undomed spots. Yes, you don't have to dome it again. Make sure you are with your piece. You have given your piece some undivided attention for at least an hour or two. See, for this resin, I know for in 1.5 hours, I don't have to come back to the room and check. So at least for that, I'll just come every 1 hour or so when I'm just doing any other work just to see if it needs a touch up, because you see you have your project, 95% of the project is done, just 1% if it's not domed correctly, then you will have to do the whole process again, otherwise it'll look like a bad thing over there.
But it didn't become hard.
It didn't become hard. The mix
To
could have
one.
not been, yes, the mix could have not been right. Or yeah, it happened to me also. It was just a, for me it was just a bad day. I just take it like that. For so many
Yeah.
years we've been working with resin, yeah, we just think it's a bad day and just discard it. What else can we do? There's nothing much. Maybe I didn't mix correctly, or maybe there was some residue in the cup, or maybe, it was just not the day. That's all. Jay
How many
Shri, how
recipes?
many? Yeah, so for this I had taken about 8 ml of hardener and 16 ml of resin for this one. Yes, yes,
Yes,
Ragini.
Agni.
Video will be saved. Yes.
Yeah.
Shades of Mycrafts, how to fix sticky resin. You will have to do it again. I don't think so. You can do anything. No matter what you do, even if you're going to do anything temporary, what happens is when you're giving it to a customer, or even if you're going to use it, that stickiness will come back. And what
Yes.
happens if sticky resin will start to attract a lot of dirt. So then you
Yeah.
will know, okay, the resin is sticky. Sorry, what
Do
is
we
this?
need to prime MDF before pouring resin?
Yeah, I prime all my MDF products before pouring resin. Yes.
What to do? Make 3D flower in resin coaster or platter. You have
Exactly,
to
I
take
told
a
that.
class. You have to take a class.
I met to took a class, so I'm not at the liberty to talk about that. What to do?
Crafty cart. Hmm.
I made coasters, and after 36 hours, is it still sticky? Because wherever you are, the climate and the weather also matters. Or I would just say it was just not an proper mix. That could be the reason.
So
Hi,
pretty someone is
Shobha.
asking.
Yes,
Yeah.
I plan to resume workshops this year once I know how to leave the baby here and then go elsewhere for the workshop, because it is not possible for me to have workshops even if I have a separate place at home. But yes, I will be doing soon. I'll keep you guys posted. How thick should the latex layer be? Just make sure, just make sure it covers the entire surface, because what happens is if it's a little thin, no, with the resin pores, you won't be able to peel it off with little comfort. You'll have to struggle so much. Yes, Shobha, I remember you. Of course, I remember you. Can you share which brand primer? Anything I use gesso. Any gesso is okay. Even you use white acrylic paint, that's also a good primer only. How to cure? The resin cures if you mixed it properly, right? You don't have to cure it yourself. Or
Yeah,
I
it
don't
will cure.
understand.
It will cure itself. It was mixed proper.
Yeah. When I'm doing
Okay.
resin work in MDF coaster, it comes to one side, yes, because the level wouldn't have been right. You have to first level your surface, make sure it is properly leveled. That is, you should, see over here, if I'm going to show this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just a moment. Yeah. Okay. Can you see? Yeah. So if you guys can see this, there is not a single drop that has fallen out apart from the drop that I had made I had dropped out. That's because the surface is leveled in such a way that it doesn't go urine. So you need to keep a level surface.
The resin base is so shiny, but inside is not the same.
Huh?
Which inside? Even I didn't understand. Hat,
Uh,
hat,
no,
hatke.
I think you're asking. I told you, the opaque reason of this coaster is because there is latex applied at the back side. So obviously it will look translucent. I mean, it
Oh,
will not
once
be.
you peel off the latex, it will
Yes,
be
yes.
shiny. Yeah.
Once you peel it off, it will be like shiny. Yes, my phone is safe, Priya. Uh,
If we first put clear resin, उसके बाद pour करने के लिए कितनी time break होना चाहिए?
वो differ होगा एक resin के लिए. अगर if you're using 1:2 or 2:1 resin, you might probably need 6 to 8 hours. If you're using a longer curing, a longer pot life resin, तो उसके लिए you need 10 hours or probably even
12 hours,
14
yeah.
24 hours. Depends on the resin.
Okay, Priya has a doubt.
Priya, see, you should not ask doubts because you're my student. If you're going to ask doubt, it's going to reflect on me, and you know the answer for this. Okay? Yeah.
Why
Again,
should
improper mixing. Improper mixing.
Divya is asking why should we use latex to
See,
protect
okay.
our edges and the back
No,
sides?
I'm gonna ask a question to Divya. Imagine Divya, this is the coaster. Okay, we are going to pour latex. We are going to pour resin on this. What happens if it drips on this side? What happens if it drips on this side? How will you remove it? It's a tedious task, isn't it? So we try to apply what? We try to apply sellotape. So that's a little difficult. No, see, can you see these coasters? How will I apply sellotape here? It's very difficult. No, any masking tapes and all you can't use, right? So that is where we apply latex. So once you apply latex, it cures. You apply resin, you peel off the latex. The resin also, which has fallen on the latex, will also get peeled off. So tomorrow, what I'm going to do is, tomorrow morning, once this is cured, if you guys are awake at probably say 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, I'll just go for a quick live and show you how to remove the latex also for this. Or I probably take a video and I'll post it on my page. You can have a look at that too.
Yeah, that will be better. Everyone can see it also.
Yeah, that I'll do. I'll do that.
So, can we use acrylic colors in resin?
No, acrylic are water-based colors that will not react well with resin. So I would suggest probably abroad and all. I've seen them use acrylic, but I don't know what quality acrylic. I'm not sure you can use acrylic. There are specific resin pigments and colors.
Yeah.
Hi Ramya. No Jayashree, we can't use acrylic colors in resin, Jayashree. Hi Geeta. Which pigment brand is good? Dude, I'm doing a live with Madras Bazaar, okay? I can't tell you. I mean, I use all their pigments. I have been using their pigments. So I've used pigments from other brands also, but I'm doing a live with her. But I would suggest her name only, Manisha from Madras.
Radni, we have opaque and we have even translucent dyes. So you can try and see both. हिंदी मालूम है रिनी प्रिया is asking आपको हिंदी मालूम है next Hindi lessons from you Preeti
I know can we put latex on latex? Yes you have to. Can we put you have to if you're using see if this side I'm going to dome. So I put latex on the back side. If I'm going to apply resin on this side, then I'll have to put latex on this side. You need to protect your piece, no?
I'm using 3:1.
Okay.
Happens, teacher, please answer.
Yes. Your mix was a little, not proper. Probably, that lot, or probably there was some residue in your mold. Maybe that could be the reason also.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Nitya.
Please suggest a good gold pigment to do on sides of coaster.
I use Posca markers. You can also use acrylic paint.
Yeah. When is the next workshop?
Geeta, we will talk through the terrace. I will tell you when my next workshop is.
I was talking about my work, ma'am. When I demold, the inside is bit dull, but the sides that we can see up is very shiny.
Yes, when you demold it, the mold would have been a little, old.
Backside.
From the silicone mold, right? The silicone mold would have been a little old. It'll wear out, yeah. Silicone will definitely wear out. See, it depends on how you maintain the mold also. No? If you're not going to maintain it well, it'll wear out very soon. So obviously, you will not have very shiny area. So that's the reason we dome.
You can dome it on the other side also, which is not shiny.
Yeah. You can dome it. Wherever you want to dome it. Keep doming.
Can we use latex on any surface?
In the sense, can you elaborate on the question? What kind of surface are we looking at?
I think she's asking maybe MDF or wood or acrylic.
Yes, you can. But I think I'm not sure where
MDF,
it is. But if you're using
MDF has to be painted.
Yes,
MDF has to be painted.
Be sealed before applying any latex because what happens is the latex will stick to the MDF. It will be a little difficult to remove.
Yeah.
Yes, you can use latex and MDF, but please make sure you seal that surface with some kind of sealant. Do you wear? Yes, I wear glasses. My glass is inside the room. If my son sees me in this costume, he would not go and sleep. So that's why I'm hiding here. Yes, I wear glasses when working with resin. Yes, you can. For MDF trays, you can use black acrylic paint as primer. Yes. Except gesso, which are the primer? I've used only gesso actually. I've used only gesso. How do you maintain mold? Yesterday, I think Goldline was telling, no? So you remove the piece, immediately just take a sellotape, clean all the residues, wash your molds regularly and wrap it up nicely in any plastic cover and store it. Make sure there is no dust or anything that's settling on the mold.
And it should be kept it in the way that it doesn't folds on, the mold doesn't folds.
Yeah, shouldn't fold.
Yeah, I have done acrylic on MDF. Can I apply latex?
Yes,
Yes.
you can apply latex, yes. Which resin you use? I'm using Madras Bazaar resin right now. Hi, Namrata.
Okay. Thank you, Yashika.
Thank you so much. Can you
Can
put
you
top
put?
quotes? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. That's all?
I think that. I think yeah. I think they've asked all the questions possible,
Yes.
and you have answered everything.
Yeah. And somebody was asking for workshop. Geeta, why?
Yeah, she's finished the workshop.
I'm
This
not
was
even sure the
actually
mixing
a
of
workshop in
the
two
mixing
parts.
of lesson, even that is over.
That's it. You have finished, one workshop in two lives, two parts.
Yeah.
And guys, if you go for this workshop to her, you have to pay. This was a free workshop, what she did.
Today, first time I saw it properly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much.
Thank you for solving our queries. Thanks. This was very helpful.
Yes, Ravali, heart to you also. This is your poster only. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Okay, so I think we are done with the question session. So
Yep.
how long will it take for this to cure now? The doming, what you've done?
I think I'll probably wake up in the morning only take. So I'll just probably
Yeah,
check if there's any drip here and there. That's all. Close it, and I'm gonna go sleep. Or
yeah.
probably
So
watch something because tomorrow is a holiday.
yeah, correct. Or else also it's a holiday only, na? No.
Oh
Ilya.
yeah, not work. No school tomorrow.
Yeah, for us, we moms no school tomorrow, so we can sleep for longer time. True, man.
Hey, hi, Surya.
So I think we are done with the question session.
Yep.
So guys, anything else you can DM Preeti, but please
Yep.
don't ask any questions related which she takes a workshop. So please don't ask any silly questions. And anything related to resin, pigments, latex, anything, just DM me. Well, you can ask her also. She'll suggest. No problem. You can DM anyone.
I'm just going to point you guys to her only. So hi,
Yeah.
Chiti.
So, okay. I think we are done.
Yes, we are
So
done.
I think our today's live was shorter than the last ones.
Yes, last live was so
Almost an
probably
hour. Yeah. Okay, Preeti. So tomorrow do share the picture of the finished pieces
Yes, sure.
and
I'll
the
do that.
video of the latex you peel.
Sure.
That is what everyone will be waiting now for tomorrow.
Sure. Absolutely. Tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Okay. Where can I buy resin cheap and best? Cheap resin won't work. Who's that Sadhan Vidhi? What do
Thank
you
you.
say, Preeti? How does the cheap resin works?
You either go for cheap one or you go for the best one.
Yeah.
Then,
Cheap resin will go very cheap very
see,
soon then.
anyway, Manisha has reduced her prices so much. I don't think so she can go more than this.
Yeah. That's correct. That very well explained. Yes, Priya.
Thank you, Priya.
Okay,
So,
guys. So we are
good
done
night.
with today's live. Thank you, Preeti.
Yeah, have a lovely weekend. Bye.
Yes, long weekend. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
So, guys, and best which one? Sadhan Vidhi, see, we have resin in two variety, 10 is to 4 and 2 is to 1. And 10 is to 4 is 1.4 kg. It is for 999, and 2 is to 1, what she used right now, is 1299, 1.5 kg. Quilling Frenzy, don't worry. This live will be saved in another 5 minutes now. You can see the live. You can replay and see it. Yes. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Thank you so much for joining us. Madras Bazaar 10 is to 4 is best resin, Krishna. Thank you, Dharni. Okay, thank you so much. Good night, guys. Happy weekend.